Okay. Last night we watched the movie. Can you hear me? If you can't hear me, turn your volume up. Yeah. I missed y'all. But I think, wait, there's this one person that commented on my video that said, "Your voice is so cute." I would thank that person for that. I would think that. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. But since now I am back, I think my voice has changed. Wait, let me just eat some bread. And also, thank you so much for that support. Thank you for that support. And there's also this person. There's also this person that commented on my video that there was a mouse on my pan. He said cook it. That made me laugh a lot. Who is that? Who was that though? I'm just gonna get some bread. See you later. I'm not gonna end it, but I'm coming back. But the bread's moldy. So let's do something together. It's doing this. You know why I'm doing this? My little brother, he keeps on eating my candy, my favorite. So I've decided to troll him by making like this. The original shape is this one, but my homemade shape is this one. Wait. You see that? One second. Do you hear this? There's nothing inside of it. I'll show you. See? Nothing inside, so I have to seal it. There's literally nothing inside. Done. But I just write the letter. Wait, let me just make some more. I just ate one. And then turned it to this. Now I have to put them all in. Okay. I added 2 inside.